Hey guys, it's Singer. We have a new quest. I never did this quest before. Because I know that I've been on Star Stable a long time, but I always been like, no, this is not my type of game, and then I'm back on it again. But yeah, let's jump into it. This guy's Santa Claus, but please don't tell me he's Santa Claus. No, why is he so sad, buddy? No winter. Sorry, I'm not that kind of person to read out loud. So, I'm sorry. Okay. Yes, I did bring Fly instead of melodyfire. So, yeah, that's what's happening. Ooh, I like this. It has like it's a pretty wallpaper. Can we have a reindeer? I really want a reindeer. Please, can I have a reindeer? I would love one. It is loading. Oh my gosh. Whoa! I'm about to cry right now. I never felt this happy. Okay. Oh my gosh. I heard about this, but I never actually did this. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Oh, aren't they kind of creepy looking? I'm sorry, but I just have to say, I think they are creepy looking, in my opinion. Oh, okay. 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 Oh, okay, little guy. Should I bring melodyfire? I got no idea. Oh my goodness. Oh, someone's riding spirit. Whoa! Whoa! Told you, someone's riding spirit. Wow. Okay, where's Santa Claus? We got Santa Claus. Ooh, I like the reindeer. Santa Claus, where are you? Santa Claus. Oh, I think he's right here. Let me see. Whoa, so beautiful. I love those kind of horses. Okay. Ooh, Santa Claus. Wait. Okay, yes. I feel so bad for Santa Claus. He takes a long time to answer. I will be right back because this is probably going to take me forever because I don't want him to talk a long time, so I will be right back. I think he gave me it's a hat. I'm wearing it. Whatever. I'm wearing this. No, it's Christmas. It is Christmas. Do I look good in it? You know what? I should change because this does not look on my this does not look good on my character, but we're gonna just deal with it because we can. Okay. I love those horses. Why didn't I get that one? Okay. At least we get some coins too, so. Oh, I wanted to get that horse, like the pony horse, Okay, everybody's up in his business, like, you don't have to get that close. Like, I'm gonna have it chill out because, like, honey. See, I always wanted one of those horses. Those are but I do not have enough star coins, obviously. Wait. The blue coins, yes, star coins, yes, yes, okay, yes, okay. Okay, stop being up in his business, like, I can't hardly see him. Okay, I'm gonna do this quest first. I will be right back when he stops talking because he's probably gonna talk for ages. I'm not trying to be mean, but like, and plus you can go and get Star Stable and see for yourself. Okay, Sam. Okay. So, okay. Let's ride like the wind. Oh, I thought that was Spirit first. No. Oh, just a little boy. Look at him. He's cute. Cute. You know what? I'm just going to pause this video for a second because until it gets interesting, then I will like a quest. Oh, she looks cute. You know what? I'm actually going to change my clothes on Star Stable. So I will be right back. Okay, now we're gonna have to clean up like these leaf things. I don't know what they call. Whoa! Everybody's sliding on the ice. And yes, I did change horses because I don't know. I got no clue. I just wanted to. Don't blame me. Oh my goodness. Why is the ice changing? It shouldn't change. And plus, I really want Melody to. Are you okay, sir? There's a lot of quests here. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay. Ooh, okay, everybody's flipping. Even me. I need some help. Please help me. How do you get one of those reindeers? I want one. I want one now. Please. I want a reindeer. Please. Okay, be back to the lazy butt that cannot do it himself. Am I right? Oh, everybody's wearing. Why? You see her wearing that? Good I didn't, because you know. Okay. I will be back again, because it's going to take me a long time to get another quest in. So, this video don't have to be long. Hold on, does that girl have... Wait, I think that girl has a beard. Look. That girl has a beard! What? Can I have? I want a beard. Miss, can I borrow your beard, please? Ooh, I love that horse. She's everything. But can I have that beard of yours? I know it's strange to ask, but can I? Okay, so, I don't know what this is. It's like magic powder. Wait, how do we use this? I'm sorry. I'm a noob. Wait, do we feed this to our horse? Is it safe for our horse? Eat it! Whoa. Am I like kissing my horse? Wow! Oh my goodness! My gosh! Oh. Look at our horse! Well, I should say reindeer! Melody! It is kind of ugly, but we will deal with it. Whoa, wait. Let me take all your stuff off. Oh, hold on. What? This is insane. Oh, no. Okay. Gotta put you right there. You right there. Melody! Oh, she looks cute with that. But, you know, no, not ribbon. That thing. Oh, wait. I took this off, didn't I? Okay. Yes, I did take it off. I don't care. Look at Melody. She looks so nice. Wait, let me see her jump. Can you even jump? Oh, wait, what is... Okay, the jump scares me a little bit, but like, you know, she still got it. I'm gonna be terrible at this race. I don't know even what I'm doing. Come on, Melody, let go. Oh my goodness. What are we doing, Melody? It's so laggy right now. I love it though. I love the lagginess. I meant lagginess. Oh my goodness. This is just something to see. I don't know where to go, but you know, that's okay. You know. Okay. Let go. I don't know about the jumps. The jumps scare me, but she's gonna have to work on that. Okay. Jump! Oh gosh, you should see her jump. It's ridiculous. Into the snow, the sled. I don't know the rest of the song. Oh my goodness. Oh. Melody, don't let it slow you down. No, come on, Melody. No. Melody, go. I love this. So what do I do? Those things are in my way. Can you move, please? Thank you. I love this. Let's go, Melody. Let's go. Woo! Oh my goodness. I will be right back so I can finish this. Okay, this is the end of the video. So, like and subscribe because why not? Why not? Like, I'm in love with the reindeer. It's pretty, but yeah. Bye!